Clear for takeoff, runway 22. After departure, turn right on course 20364. I think I get some ventilation in here. That guy's way off. Here we go. Full power, full power, full power, full power. All right, Darcy's alive. Instruments are in the green. I've got. Correct this real fast. But I'm trying to climb the 4500. All right, so I'm going to call them. They're going to give me a squawk code, and I am way off course. Cherry Point approach, good morning. Cessna 20364, approximately 2 miles northwest of New Bern.
Cessna 20364, squawk 4674.
4674, 20364.
Cessna 20364, radar contact 6 miles northeast of New Bern, altitude K 3500.
Affirm 20364. I had a water in here.
9419.
Cherry Point approach, 95 Lima. We have the Beaufort in.
Cherry Point approach, Cessna 20364. I've got you in sight. Would like to switch over, remain squawk, and then come back to you once I've done my touch and go.
Cessna 20364, yes sir, radar services terminated. You may maintain this beacon code, frequency change approved, and just report back this frequency en route New Bern.
Well, thank you, I'll be back.
Request helicopters use left traffic for miles out.
Come in.
Straight in.
Band. There he goes. One red, one white. Oh my god. Sucks. 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. I can't land on that. Oh my god. That was fucking horrible. Up, 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 up. RB10. Full power, here we go. 55. Rotate. Into traffic. Cessna 20364 on the go. Runway 19, you into traffic.
Charter 29R4, ident.
13 miles south of Edenton. That's Kilo Echo Delta Echo.
20364, confirm showing you 13 miles south of Edenton, southbound, altitude indicates 4,600.
Squawk VFR or keep the squawk?
Density altitude 2,000.
Oh, in the clouds, in the clouds, in the clouds. And Cherry Point approach, Cessna 20364. I have New Bern inside at this time. Would like
Squawk maintain VFR, frequency change approved.
20364, thank you very much for your help, sir.
364, roger, runway 22, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 22, 20364.
You follow the Cessna ahead upon the downwind, number 3, runway 22, clear for the option.
Alright, I'm down, trim down a little, just a tiny teach. My airspeed's suffering. It's okay. Not meant to handle. Put some more flaps in, there. A little high, that's fine, because I can come down with this guy. There we go. Now I'm going to get blown around like crazy. Everything's good. I pull power the moment I get over the threshold. There's that drop.
Tower, Cherokee 5366 Lima.
Go.
66 Lima here on New Bern.
66 Lima is at D2, VFR northbound. I got the weather.
Ooh wee.
66 Lima, roger, taxi to runway 22 via Lima Kilo.
Hey, flaps up.
Lima Kilo,
RB10.
66 Lima.
I probably covered it.
364, turn right at Bravo, Bravo, Echo to the ramp.
Bravo Echo to the ramp, 20364. Thank you very much. What am I doing?
5901, roger, clear to Charlotte, Douglas Airport.
Oh my god.
Maintain 2000, expect to flight level 22010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency be 119. My 5901, wheels up at 164019.
Key 5366 Lima is ready to go 22.